Okay, volume of pyramid and cones. Recall that the volume of a prism was the area of the base times the height. The volume of a pyramid, because it has a point, is going to be less than that, but it's going to have the same base and same height. So the volume of a pyramid uses the formula 1/3 the area of the base times the height. And the volume of a cone, like a cylinder, is going to have the same type of base, but it's going to come to a point. It's going to use 1/3 the area of the base times the height, which the area of the base is pi r squared. So find the volume of the solids, and we're going to round our answers to 2 decimal places. So the first one, we have a pyramid. So this is volume equals 1/3 area of the base times the height. The base, we can see, is a square, the sides of 10. So the volume is going to be 1/3 times 100 times the height, which is 12. And again, volume is cubic to the 3rd power. In the next one, we have a triangular pyramid. So the base is going to be 1/2 base times height. So when we do volume, and times the height of pyramid, we're not going to do the next one because of it being a regular based polygon. So we look at a cone. So cones use volume 1/3 pi r squared h. So we can do 1/3 3.14, r radius 5, and the height 11. Multiply that out. And this is the height of this cone. Again, it's always going to be that perpendicular distance from the vertex to the base. So we have volume equals 1/3 pi, should be using 3.14, the radius of 2, the height of 6. Keep in mind, too, if you're not given a radius, the radius is the diameter divided by 2. Like before, we're going to find the value of x. We're going to find the missing measure depending on whatever it is. So we are given the volume. Again, volume is 1/3 area of the base times the height, depending on if it's a pyramid or a cone. So volume is 1/3. The area of the base here would be 8 times 4. And we're trying to find x. Excuse me. Solving for x, you could take 64 times 3 divided by 32. X equals 6, and it's linear units. Here we have 147 pi. We're in pi units, which is fine. 1/3 pi. R is what we're trying to find, times 9. Pi's cancel. 1/3 of 9 is 3, and 147 divided by 3 is 49. And keep in mind that is r squared, so we have to take the square root of that. So r, or x, equals 7, once again, linear units. And that is all we're going to do. We're not going to worry about trying to find the hypotenuse of the triangle. We're not going to worry about trying to find the volume of the cone using an angle. Certainly you can try them if you'd like, and I have the answers if you'd like to check them. And composite figures are, you would just find the volume of the prism on the bottom and then the pyramid on the top. So that is it for this section.